Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Roblox Pixel. So yeah, let's get started. Sue a organization and lose, or sue a charity organization and win. That I don't know. I just picked this side. Can I wait? What can I type in the rounds? I don't know. Awful. It's awful. No. Hold on. I actually wanna try killing someone. Oh, yo, where's so close, girl? Okay, die. Oh, yay, we won. Wait, actually, I've been trying to save for the rainbow sword, so I'll see how much I have. Quite close to this rainbow sword. Wait, did I buy it? No, I didn't. Okay. Take the blame for a friend, or have your friend take the blame. No one. I would not like to blame my friend for it, but it's okay if she blames me. So yeah. I don't know. I'm dead. I'm the wait, I'm the only one on the team. I can do this. Oh my god. I'm just gonna step back. No. 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 They're all after me. No. 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 I am mad. So mad. So mad. Like, look at his face. It made me lose. I am totally shook. I'm shook. Have no family or have no friends. Like, of course have no friends. Like, your family is everything. You can have fun with your family. Why did she pick? Oh my god. To be honest, my family is more important. We're all after her. Yay, we did it. Wait, I did. Ooh. We're gonna do two more rounds and then we're gonna end the video. LOL. Okay, LOL. Funny. I don't know what's funny. Have a terrible audition. Wait. Oh, okay. An American Idol, or get a ridiculously easy question wrong on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This one. I don't know. I just picked it. Wait, maybe. Oh, I'll just pick. Ooh, we're dead. I cannot get the sword today. No, no, die. No. Die. I'm like going crazy with my keyboard right now. Yay, I got, wait, huh? Yay, I can buy it. Oof. Equip. It's equipped. Yay. We're gonna play around with the sword. Okay, then our mission. Let go. Side. Burger or pizza? Spell that wrong. I will obviously choose burger. I love pizza, but burger. Wow. I don't want to see that sword. Yo! I'll try killing someone with it. Oh, it takes a lot of damage, bro. No, you! Die. You trying to kill me. Now it's time for me to kill you. Haha. Die. Oh, who killed me? Wow, this wow. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. And make sure to hit that notification bell if you haven't already. So yeah, that's it. Wait, before we end the video, I would like to say that I have a Musical.ly account, and if you want to go follow it, I will leave the name of it in the link in the description. And I do have my fans there, and I'm going to like do a face reveal when I have some subscribers on that channel for who don't have Musical.ly. So yeah, that's all, guys.